Hello and welcome to one and only Prabha from Home Center. We will unbox you this and show you how it is. So we had unpacked it. You saw how the packing was. It was too tight, too good, so that there are no scratches or there are no kind of fault in the piece. Okay, so if you see this is a 2.8 liter container. So I have opened it. It's an airtight container. This has got the paper inside, which has got different types of liters, how much you wanted to keep it. So if you see in this, it's a transparent box. It is not exactly a plastic material also. It's an acrylic material. It is of light weight. So it is of light weight and I'll close it and show it to you. It has got a lid here which shows the closure because it looks alike.
Same.
We should not be doing it incorrect. So this is. So I have closed
airtight container.
It's an airtight container. And it is 699 rupees per piece. We do not get it in Amazon websites or Flipkart or anything. It is an exclusive Home Center piece. So either you can directly walk into Home Centers, where in Bangalore it is there in Mantry Mall, and we have also there is also an online link to shop online. So the delivery time is just 2 days. We got the piece in 2 days. We already have a set of 3 and we have got another 2. This is a fresh 2 containers. So this is the other set of 3 containers. We wanted our kitchen to look fresh and neat. So if you see here, it is transparent, and when you fill in all your contents, it will look very decent and neat. So this is a short quick unboxing video which we wanted to show for the kitchen use. People don't want to go for a plastic because it goes bad after a few days. We have been using this for almost 2 months.
Yeah, 2-3 months.
2-3 months. See, you do not see any scratch. We have been replacing with all the items. We do not see any scratch, and it looks really cool. This is how it looks in the kitchen. It's a 2.8 liter, so good enough to store your food items. 2.8 liters, 2800 ml. Yeah, so it is a dishwasher safe. If anybody has got dishwasher at home, you can keep it in dishwasher. Of course, yes, it is not a microwave oven safe because it is an acrylic material. Other than that, it is easy viewing content inside. You've got all the features written in this. So please do, if you want your kitchen to look smart kitchen, you can go for this kind of piece. If you like this video, click on like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.